How to make a cup of coffee at home. Step 1. Gather your ingredients and tools. Prepare the items you need: coffee grounds or instant coffee, fresh water, sugar or milk, optional, a cup or mug, a kettle, coffee maker, or pot. Step 2. Heat the water. Pour fresh water into a kettle or pot. Heat it until it is hot, but avoid boiling it too much, as extremely hot water can make coffee taste bitter. Step 3. Add coffee to your cup. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of coffee grounds or instant coffee into your cup. Adjust the amount depending on how strong you like your coffee. Step 4. Pour hot water. Slowly pour the hot water into the cup. Leave some space at the top for milk or sugar if you want to add them. Step 5. Stir the coffee. Mix the coffee with a spoon until the coffee is completely dissolved and evenly blended. Step 6. Add milk or sugar. Optional. Add sugar, milk, cream, or any other ingredients you like. Stir again until everything is mixed well. Step 7. Let it cool and enjoy. Wait a few moments for the coffee to reach a comfortable temperature. Then enjoy your homemade cup of coffee.